Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x to power of 8 plus x to power of 4 over x to power of 7 plus x to power of 5 is equal to 21 over 6 to find the values of x. In the first step, in here we factor x to power of 4, so it will be x to power of 4, and this divided by x to power of 4 is x to power of 4, and this divided by this, it will be 1. And in here we factor x to power of 4, and it will be x to power of 3 plus x to power of 1, or x, right, is equal to 21 over 6. And here we divide this by 3 and this by 3, it will be 7 over 2, right? So in here this will cancel this, and x to power of 4 plus 1 over x to power of 3 plus x is equal to 7 over 2. And in here we apply, which is this times this and this times this, so it will be 2 times this, it will be 2x to power of 4 plus 2 is equal to 7 times this, it will be 7x to power of 3 plus 7x. And in next step, we take this to this side, and it will be 2x to power of 4 minus this 7x to power of 3, and minus this 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. And in next step, we divide both sides of this equation by x to power of 2. So this divided by x to power of 2, it will be 2x to power of 2, and this divided by x to power of 2, it will be 7x, and minus this divided by x to power of 2, it will be 7 over x, and this divided by this, it will be 2 over x squared is equal to 0. And in next step, we take this and this together, and these two parts together, so it will be, from these two parts we factor 2, and it will be 2 times x squared plus 1 over x squared, and from these two parts we factor negative 7, so it will be negative 7 times x plus 1 over x is equal to 0. And in here, as you know, if we have x plus 1 over x to power of 2, this is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2 times this. So x times 1 over x, it will be 1, right? So it will be plus 2. And in here, we take this to this side, and we write in here x plus 1 over x to power of 2 minus 2, it will be x squared plus 1 over x squared. So x squared plus 1 over x squared, right? And in here we have x squared plus 1 over x squared, so we can substitute this in here, and it will be 2 times x plus 1 over x to power of 2 and minus 2 minus 7 times x plus 1 over x is equal to 0. Sorry, 1 over x, right? X plus 1 over x. And in next step, in here we have x plus 1 over x and x plus 1 over x, so we let x plus 1 over x as t. So two times x plus 1 over x is t, so it will be t squared minus 2 minus 7 times t is equal to 0. And in here it will be 2t squared minus 2 times 2, it will be 4 minus 7t is equal to 0. And we write this as 2t squared minus 7t minus 4 is equal to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, which is t is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of t square is 2, and b is coefficient of t is negative 7, and c is constant is negative 4. So t is equal to negative b, negative 7, it will be positive 7, plus or minus the square root of b square, negative 7 square, it will be 49, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 2, and c is negative 4 over 2a. 2a is 4. In here, 4 negative times negative, it will be positive. So 4 times 2 times 4, it will be 32. So 49 plus 32, it will be 81, right? So we write in here 7 plus or minus the square root of 81, and it will be 9, right, over 4. And we have two values for t. T is equal to 7 plus 9, it will be 16, and over 4 it will be 4, and t is equal to 7 minus 9, it will be 2, and over 4 it will be negative 1 over 2, right? 7 minus 9, it will be negative 2, and over 4 it will be negative 1 over 2. And in next step, we recall x plus 1 over x is t. So in here, if t is equal to 4, for this, x plus 1 over x is t, and t is 4. So in here, we multiply both sides of this equation by x, so it will be multiplied by x, and it will be x squared, plus in here 4 times x, it will be 4x, and we take this to this side, it will be negative 4x, right? And this times x, it will be 1 over x times x, it will be 1. So plus 1 is equal to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, which is x is negative b plus or minus this formula, b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So in here, negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 4, and c is constant is 1. So from here, x is equal to negative b is negative 4 is 4, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 4 squared is 16, minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, and c is 1, over 2a is 2. And here, 4 times 1 times 1, it will be 4, so 16 minus 4, it will be 12, and square root of 12 is, in here, the square root of 12 is square root of 4 times 3, and we can write this as 2, square root of 4 is 2, 2 square root of 3, right? So, in here, x is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 3 over 2, and it will be 4 over 2 is 2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3 over 2, it will be square root of 3. So in here, we have two values for x. And if t is equal to negative 1 over 2, we write in here, t is equal to negative 1 over 2. So x plus 1 over x is equal to t, and t is negative 1 over 2. And here, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2x. So we multiply by 2x, and it will be this times 2x, it will be 2x squared. And in here, negative 1 over 2 times 2x, it will be negative x, and we take this to this side, and it will be positive x. And 1 over x times 2x, it will be positive 2 is equal to 0. So in here, we have a quadratic equation, and if we use the discriminant, so we write the scheme formula, which is b squared minus 4ac. And here a is coefficient of x squared is 2, and b is 1, and c is 2, right? So the discriminant in here is b squared is 1 squared 1 minus 4ac. 4 times a is 2, and c is 2. And here it will be 1 minus 4 times 2 it is 8, and times 2 it will be 16. So it will be negative 15, and this is less than 0. So in here we have no real solution, and our final answer for x is 2 plus or minus square root of 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.